Holy shit, we hit a tornado warning. And this is the worst rain I ever seen. Kills plans a little bit. We'll find a tornado, I guess. I'm soaked. Oh shit. Got a little bit of debris over here. Look at that. Some debris. That's pretty cool. Look, there's debris right there. There's a carpet. Someone's car. I don't know if that carpet was garbage or.
Look at that. There's a stick right here. You put somewhere.
Yeah. Some metal debris. Not much. Look, there's insulation, Steven. Yeah, I know. I seen it. Oh, this is just a cow field, any hay field, anyways.
Yeah, but that's all aluminum. Right,
no, it's steel. It's not worth nothing.
are you sure?
Yeah. Hit by a car, but they're gonna yell at me. Some pictures of that. Not gonna hurt nothing. A little bit more. Checking the debris out. The barn blew over back there. Yeah, I know. That is crazy. Damn. I'll get out of the road. Damn. All right. Let's stop playing around. Hey, I'm not turning around yet. I'm almost done. I got 10 more feet to walk and it's the end of the destruction zone. And then I'm turning around. All right. People are getting mad. I know. Just tell them that your nephew's an asshole. Okay. So, okay, I got some images for you though. All right, bye. Oh shit. I guess it hit over here too. That's what they were looking for. Just some after the storm skies. Some limbs fell. Thruway authorities here. Drive really fucking slow. See what the fuck it looks like. Tree. Young bit. I didn't do it. Couple trees blown over.